Alright guys, today's video, man, this is one of those videos I do not like making, man. Especially when something happens and it's my fault. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not a rookie to this, bro. I should have known not to do what I did. But me being in a hurry, me being in a rush, I did it anyway. So it's just funny, man, because you think you got something figured out, and then you find out the hard way. And also, I hope everybody's having a good day, man. I thank everybody for subscribing to the channel, sharing the videos, hitting that like button, and joining the Hemi Muscle family, man. Also, I'm about to redesign the merch. I'm about to make some t-shirts dedicated to more so the Hemi Muscle family. So be on the lookout for new merch, man. You know, support the channel. The weather here in DC, man, just be blowing me, man. But one minute it look like it's gonna be sunny, the next minute it look like it's gonna rain. So I wanted to hand wash my car today. But 1 second it's sunny like it is right now, and then 10 minutes later it's cloudy, look like it's getting ready to rain. So, and I think there's gonna be a car meet today. I'm not sure, but I gotta go take care of some stuff with my family because, of course, you know, I said my uncle passed away, so I'm gonna go see, you know, what I need to do to assist with all his arrangements and everything. But my uncle, man, he was a good guy. You know, he was definitely a car guy, and he always admired my Charger. He said he always liked the way it sound, and he liked the fact that I always keep my car clean. So I'm definitely gonna miss him, man. But today's video, you guys are gonna see the result of having staggered wheels and driving your car through the car wash. Now I already know what y'all gonna say. I should have known better, but again, I was in a hurry. I thought the little wheel thing was wide enough, the little track that you know you drive up in. I try not to baby this car, you know, because at the end of the day, man, it's just a damn car. And for the most part, I mean, I care about how it looks, and I try to keep it up as the best I can. But driving it through a car wash, I normally don't really trip on, because for the most part, my car normally doesn't get damaged. But for some reason, this particular car wash, obviously it was too small for my 10.5-inch wheels in the back. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what happened. And the simple fact that my wheels are gloss black, that also played a factor in why the damage looks so bad. Pretty much scraped the black off the rim. So I'm not gonna keep talking, man. I'm just gonna show y'all what happened. And I can't blame nobody but my damn self. So I'm gonna pull over, man. I'm gonna show y'all what happened to my wheels. Alright guys. Now let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Now you see, this wheel right here is all nice It's not clean. My car's not clean because of course it rained, but let me show y'all what happened, man. And this is another reason why you should never drive your car through a car wash. Look what I did to my rims, bro. See that? See how I scraped my wheels? I can't believe I did that, man. So I guess when I was, you know, when you pull in and they put your wheels in between the thing that pushes your car forward, it must have scraped my wheels. See that? But luckily, I already called a guy who said he can repair it for me. And that's what I get for driving my damn car through the car wash, man. Luckily, that's the only wheel that was damaged. Because if and I can't blame nobody but my damn self, because I know better. But I was in a hurry the other day, and I tried to, and I needed my car clean. I was going out with my wife, and look what happened, man. I done damaged my damn wheel. But no worries, it's gonna be fixed this weekend. And so that's the number one reason, man, to do not drive your car through the car wash, man. Especially if you got wide wheels in the back, because the car wash will damage your rims, man. And also, you see my tire is stretched and it's not even covering up the rim. See how it sticks out right here? And I already showed you guys this once before. And the rims in the back are 10.5. It's 20 by 10.5. So those 275s are just not wide enough. So I'm gonna go with 315s. But with everything going on, I'm gonna have to wait, pump my brakes on that. Because as you see, the front wheel is perfect. See? It's aligned perfectly. So but other than that, everything else is perfect, man. I don't have no complaints with the wheels. But never drive your car through the car wash, man. Especially if you got staggered wheels, because that's what's gonna happen, man. If this is your first time viewing my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.